Introducing cellhelmet's liquid glass screen protection, offering scratch and break prevention for any mobile device on the market, making it harder and stronger on a molecular level while being invisible to the naked eye. It doesn't take a scientist to apply our liquid glass. Just wipe it on and immediately buff it off. So, how does it work? Put your device under a microscope and you'll see that the glass is actually a porous material. The active ingredient in liquid glass, silicon dioxide, fills in these pores and imperfections, curing and forming a stronger surface. Not only is cellhelmet liquid glass simple and easy to apply, it is invisible and safe for all devices. And by the way, it's made in America. Still not convinced? We put our liquid glass through a series of drop tests to show you just how strong our product really is. Here's our test with no liquid glass using a 2.4 ounce pinball. 1 foot 4 inches. 2 feet. No liquid glass, break points at 2 feet. Here's the same test after liquid glass application. 1 foot 4 inches. 2 feet. 2 feet 8 inches. 3 feet 4 inches. 4 feet. 4 feet 8 inches. 5 feet 2 inches. 6 feet 4 inches. 7 feet 4 inches. 8 feet 4 inches. 9 feet 4 inches. With a liquid glass break point of 9 feet and 4 inches. And the results are in. 2 feet without liquid glass. 9 feet 4 inches with cellhelmet liquid glass. For frequently asked questions, visit www.cellhelmet.com/LSP-FAQ.